Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and go to your profile. So inside profile, tap on the three dashboard available in the top right corner. After you tap on it, tap on settings and privacy option available there. Inside settings and privacy, scroll down and tap on report a problem option available down. After you tap on report a problem, inside report a problem, tap on account. Then after you tap on account and profile, you will get to see various options available there. Tap on editing profile option from the list. After you tap on editing profile, simply tap on other option available there. Then in other, tap on need more help. Then you will get to see tell us your feedback option here. So in here, request form, describe the issue clearly, explain that the photo mode feature is missing from your TikTok app and provide any relevant details or screenshots as well. Once you have filled out the request form, submit it to TikTok's customer support team by tapping on the submit icon available there. After submitting the request, keep an eye on your email inbox for any updates or responses from TikTok support team. They may provide troubleshooting steps or information on when the issues will be resolved. By reporting the problem to TikTok's customer service, you are helping them identify and address the issue. So, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.